Hi everyone and welcome. We've been talking a lot about living things and about things that we need. So today we're going to talk about some of the needs of living things, such as plants and animals. So I decided that today we're going to do our lesson outside, even though it's a little bit cloudy and cold. So please join me. Today I'd like to introduce you to some special friends of mine. Now, some of you may have had some of the eggs that we sell at school, and these are the chickens that lay them. Now, let's talk about what are some of the things that these animals need. Well, as you can hear by their very loud noise, they need food. They all think I'm here to feed them. Every animal, in fact every living thing, needs food. The way we get food is different depending on who we are or what we are. These chickens love seeds and worms and anything else they can find, and when they're busy scratching around on the ground. Animals also need some space or shelter, just like people do. Now, this is very different depending on the animal, but every animal needs some place to call home. Animals and all living things also need oxygen. They have to breathe. If you look very closely, you can see on their beaks they actually have little nostrils that they breathe in, just like us. Animals also need sunlight. There's not much of that around today, but the sunlight is still getting through the clouds. And of course, animals also need water. These girls have got a nice big water dish inside for them to drink out of. Now, what about plants? Well, actually, plants need basically the same things. They need sunlight. They need water, which they absorb through their roots from the soil. They need food, which they get from nutrients in the soil through their roots, as well as from the sunlight, which they use to convert into food energy for themselves. And they need space to grow. Plants need to be able to stretch out a little bit to really absorb the sunlight and have enough water. If they grow too close together, then they will not succeed. And you'll see, big trees need a lot more space. So to recap, all living things, plants and animals, need the same things. We all need sunlight, which is our main source of energy. We all need water. It is very, very important to have clean water. We all need food in some kind, although food may look very different for different animals and different plants. Can you see the roots there soaking up all the yummy nutrients? We all need shelter, although this also looks very different depending on what you are.